Well, this is the end of my season harvest. Potatoes. Probably the last of the beans that I'll get. Onions. I'll definitely get more cherry tomatoes out of my garden. But as for tomatoes, I'll probably just get one more. So tonight I decided to harvest the potatoes and just pick whatever I could. That's one big potato. The rest are kind of average and small. So I harvested all the potatoes. Rhubarb's still there. The cherry tomatoes. The beans aren't looking that good, so I think it's the end of the season for those. I might get, a couple more, but not enough to make a meal out of. They've been eating the mid ones, so as soon as they start showing to be orange, I just take them off and bring them in the house. That's all I can do. I don't think I'll get anything significant from the carrots because I don't think they've grown enough. And that's the tomato plant that I transplanted. It's got some flowers on it, but it's too late in the season for it to do anything. So it hasn't been that good this year, but what has been good is these bush beans. And I'll definitely plant them again. So that's my end of the season report for my garden. I forgot that these things actually flowered, and they actually smell nice. They smell really nice when you get up close to them. It's too bad you can't smell them, but they do smell nice. The evening is approaching, and I'm just gonna sit here and relax in the backyard with no fire and just contemplate the summer and just relax. School starts next week, so pretty much the summer's over now. I'm just gonna sit here and relax. The kittens are growing bigger now, and they're relaxing now for the evening.